Welcome to the Gilliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete junk files after deleting a program in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to your search and here just type add or remove. And from add or remove program, just select the program which you want to install. For example, I want to install CodeBlocks. So just click on the three dot icons, then just click on uninstall. Click on uninstall once again. Click on yes. And just wait for the program to be installed. Then just click on yes. It will remove all the files which has been created due to this program. Just click on yes. Click on close. Now just minimize this. Now to delete all other junk files, what you need to do is click on Windows plus R. This is gonna pop up the run menu. In here type percentage program files percentage and hit enter. From here, you need to search for the app name, the app which you just deleted. Search for a folder with the same name. I don't have a CodeBlocks folder in here, but if you have a folder that is named the same as the app which you just installed, then just delete the folder, then just close this. Then just open up your run command again and type percentage app data percentage and hit enter. From here, search for the CodeBlocks again. As you can see right here, you can delete this. You search for the program name of your installed program and click on yes. Just delete the program file and just minimize this again. Then open up your run command once again and type percentage then percentage. Now from here you want to select everything and shift delete everything. This is gonna permanently delete everything from here. Or you can just select everything and just right click on them and click on delete. Click on yes. This is gonna permanently delete all the files, but don't worry, those files are not necessary for you. These are basically cache. Make sure to check this and click on continue. Click on this and click on skip. And after it has been done, just close this. And basically that is how to delete junk files after deleting a program on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.